Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure Backup. Let's get started. So Azure Backup, what exactly is Azure Backup? It's a cloud-based backup solution, mostly used for backing up servers, files, databases. And then it also has the unlimited retention, so you can have a number of days or months or years, and you could use that to restore your data. And then it is also highly scalable, and then it is also much more secured, and the billing is based on the usage, so you pay for what you use and how much you store. So let's look into the architecture here. So there are like few major components here. In Azure Backup, it has agents that you could install on your local servers, like which is on-prem, and then you can back up the data. And then you can inbuilt, there are certain services like your web apps and a lot of other things out of the box supports Azure Backup, like your VMs can be backed up directly. So that's a cloud-only option that you could use. It also have other components like recovery point management, access control, policy management, monitoring and reporting. The key terminologies whenever it comes to backup, no matter what backup you do, or RTO, RPO, and then the retention. RTO is recovery time objective. How long would you be able to wait till the recovery happens? So sometimes if you do files, it's pretty quick. And sometimes if it is a whole server like 100 gig or 200 gig, it's going to take like 30 minutes or so, or even an hour. So that particular time is what we call it as recovery time objective. Recovery point objective is at what point of time you want this backup to be taken care of. So if it is server, they might do like a daily backup. If it is a database, they might just do like a transaction logs and other backups pretty frequently because it's data related. The last one is retention. How long do you want to retain the data? If in case something goes wrong, typically people might hold it for 30 days or so. So why should I use Azure Backup? It is much more cost effective. It's simple to use and keeps the data secure. So to avoid any ransomware or something, it's all in cloud. Multiple storage options. You can keep it locally redundant, or you can do a geo redundant. So it is not just one point of failure. You have multiple backups available. It also has monitoring and alerts. Whenever the backup fails or the backup is completed, you can monitor everything. That's all for this week. I'll see you next week with another topic. Thanks again.